Are you ready to revolutionize your cooking game and unleash your inner chef? Look no further than the Cosori Dual Basket Air Fryer. With its innovative design, versatile cooking functions, and convenient features, this air fryer is the ultimate tool for creating delicious meals with ease. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The Cosori Dual Basket Air Fryer is a must-have addition to any kitchen. Double the baskets, double the delight. Experience the power of double baskets with the Cosori Dual Basket Air Fryer. With 2 independent cooking zones and visible windows, you can monitor and complete 2 cooking projects simultaneously. Whether you're cooking juicy meat or nutritious side dishes, this air fryer makes it easier than ever to create culinary masterpieces. Versatile cooking functions for every occasion. With 6 versatile cooking functions: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, the Cosori Dual Basket Air Fryer offers endless possibilities for culinary creativity. Whether you're craving crispy fries, succulent roast chicken, or tender baked goods, this air fryer has you covered. Plus, with customizable preheat and shake features, you can add a personal touch to every dish. SynCook and SyncFinish for effortless cooking. Say goodbye to the juggling act of cooking multiple dishes with SynCook and SyncFinish features. With SynCook, you can master 2 dishes at once by cooking them at the same time: temperature, preheat, and shake reminder settings. With SyncFinish, you can ensure that both baskets finish cooking together, even if your dishes have different cooking times. No more waiting, just piping hot, ready to eat meals every time. Abundant cooking space for simultaneous creations. With an impressive 9-quart capacity and 2 independent 4-5-quart cooking zones, the Cosori Dual Basket Air Fryer provides ample space for simultaneous, diverse culinary creations. Whether you're cooking for a crowd or experimenting with new recipes, this air fryer has the capacity to handle it all. Healthier meals, hassle-free cleanup. Enjoy healthier meals with 85% less oil, thanks to the Cosori Dual Basket Air Fryer. And with 2 non-stick BPA-free baskets that are dishwasher safe, cleanup is a breeze. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying delicious, guilt-free meals with your loved ones. Unlock your culinary potential with 130+ recipes. With Cosori's 30 cookbooks and 100 online recipes, you'll have everything you need to become a cooking pro. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced chef, these recipes are easy to follow and packed with helpful tips and tricks. Plus, with the VESync app, you can access even more recipes and cooking inspiration right at your fingertips. Specifications and California routes. It'll listed with a power rating of 120 volts, 750 watts, a wide temperature range 95-450, and a 160-minute timer for accurate cooking. The Cosori Dual Basket Air Fryer is designed to meet your cooking needs. As a California-based company, Cosori is proud to call the Golden State our home. Ready to take your cooking to the next level? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The Cosori Dual Basket Air Fryer is a must-have addition to any kitchen. With its innovative design, versatile cooking functions, and convenient features, it's the ultimate tool for creating delicious meals with ease. Don't wait, order yours today and unleash your culinary creativity. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.